in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the media location for files in the Apple Music app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Apple Music and then select Music up in the menu bar. Go down and select Settings. And now up at the top, select the Files tab. And where it says media location, you can select the change button to go ahead and look for a different directory on your computer, navigate to it, and then open it. Or you can even create a new folder somewhere. And you can also reset the default media location if you made a mistake. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.